know it's been a while, but I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing some shoes. I ordered these. I can't remember exactly what date it was, but I ordered these shoes and I'm going to unbox them for you guys today. I'm going to try to give you all the information on them. But how are you guys doing? I know it's been a while. I'm coming back trying to make videos. Okay, let me go ahead and get started. I should have had this ready. Okay, I found my hairs everywhere. Okay. So these are the FILA, is it Disruptors? Something like that. FILA Disruptors 2s, I guess is how you say it. They are in the color like an orange yellow color. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox them. Oh wait, can't show all that. Okay. Let me just open the box. I'm showing a little too much. Okay. Wait, I ain't nothing too good. Okay. It won't take that long. Okay. It sends you a label to, if you have to return it, it sends you a label to return it back. Which I shouldn't have to return it because they should be the right size. And they give you, okay, they gave me a gift card. It's a $60 gift card. $20 off your first 3 deliveries and free shipping at Hello Fresh. I don't know what this, like what restaurant, but it says claim within 30 days. Hello Fresh, turn dinner stress into dinner time. I don't know where this is, but I'm not gonna lose it. Let me put it right over here. They just give you some papers, but that's something because I don't know what Hello Fresh is. But okay, dang, my box is beat up. I like to keep my boxes, so this is what the box looked like. It looked like this. And I'm gonna put it up. These shoes are fire. Oh my god. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh. Look at it. These shoes are fire, bro. Oh my gosh. The wait was worth it. The wait was worth it. Look at these. The wait was worth it. Look at that. It was worth the wait. They like a little tag on there. There you go. They're yellow. And yes, yellow. These things are nice. When I was getting ready to order them, I usually wear like a 9.5 or 10, but they were like go a half size up. So they didn't have. See, I wanted to get a 10 of these, and they didn't have a 10.5 because they told us to go a half size up. So I got an 11, so I hope they're not too big. But I mean, they are women's shoes. They're not men's shoes. These are women's. Yeah. These are women's shoes. Dang, these things so nice. I don't have to rock them today. Like, these things are fire. I have to rock them today, y'all. I can't go without rocking them today. But then again, I want to wear them to school Monday. I don't know. These things nice. It was worth the wait. Look, oh my gosh. It was worth the wait. But anyway, these are shoes. I like them a lot already. Of course, let me see. Yeah, they're FILAs. These are really like the best FILAs I've seen, to be honest. I was gonna get the pink pair, but they look so dual. Like these are gonna pop. Like these are gonna pop. Oh my gosh, like these. This is not gonna be my last time ordering this type of FILA because I'm gonna order some other colors when I get the chance. Man. But yeah, they're the Disruptor 2 Premium Repeats. That's what they're called. I got mine off of footlocker.com, and I just went ahead and ordered them. I don't even know if they have them in Foot Locker. I don't really go in Foot Locker, but I just went ahead and ordered them. These things are nice. And I don't know when I'm going to be able to get this video up because I'll be on a busy schedule. But I am so happy about these shoes because they are like, they're fit to description like on the website. Like, it's not you looked on the website and you thought you was going to get something, you didn't get it. Like, no. They look just like the website said they was going to look like. Just, I'm happy. But anyway, I have another video coming because I have some hair coming in Wednesday. So it's going to be unboxing of the Alley, what is it, Alley Pearl hair? Yeah. I'm not going to tell you what type of hair it is yet because you're going to tune into that video to find out. And I have that hair coming. I'm also going to talk about Fashion Nova a little bit in my next video because some things on Fashion Nova are not sized right. That's all I'm saying. So I'm not going to bash the website or anything, but I'm just going to go into detail about that. And yeah, I might do a giveaway soon because I might not use this, so might do a giveaway on this and a giveaway on something else. So just stay tuned to find out what the giveaway will be on. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Turn on the notification bell so you can see when I get ready to post another video. And I'm just so excited about these shoes. If you have time, go on the Foot Locker website, check them out. Maybe place an order because it's worth the wait. And I like them a lot. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.